Question came up today about how to save your brush presets. So let's say, for example, I want to make a new brush. So I've got a brush selected and I'm going to use it to paint hair. And I get it to the setting I want. Let's say I want the stroke to be slightly smaller, so it's a 2 pixel. Yep, that looks about right to me. And the flow, let's make it 50%. So I'm going to go ahead and check out this and clear this layer out and see if I like this brush. So let's presume I like this brush, and this is going to be my new favorite hairbrush. How I like to do that is while I'm on this brush, I go ahead and click on the icon you see here. It looks like a page, and it's going to say, hey, set the new hairbrush. I'm going to call it Lisa's 2 pixel hairbrush. I might even say the flow is at 50% just to help me identify it. I'm going to not include the color. So I'm going to hit OK on that. So now you'll see I've got my Lisa 2 pixel hairbrush, and it's outside of my favorites. See this favorite folder? So I'm going to go ahead and drag it into my favorites folder, and for giggles I'm going to leave the regular brush out. Now I'm going to click on that folder, and I'm going to click on the little menu side on the brushes palette, and I'm going to say, hey, export these selected brushes. I want to save these. So I'm going to call these Lisa's favorite and let it be at that, say save. Now I can go ahead and delete this layer set of brushes, and then I can go ahead and import new brushes, and I can navigate back to the desktop where I have saved those brushes, and I'm going to hit open, and you'll see my folders come. Now the one little annoying thing is it double folds it. It puts it in 2 folders. That's kind of not a big deal. Just drag it up the folder, and then you can delete the extra one. Kind of a small price to pay. And now I have my new folder. And there's my Lisa 2 pixel hairbrush, and I can grab that. I like to save these out into a folder that I have on my desktop called brushes, and I've got a bunch of brushes in there of different varieties that I can call anywhere I work. I can go to another company and call these down off the cloud. I can take them to a desk around the corner and load them up, whatever I like. I hope you found this helpful.